Russell and this is my channel WR Guitar. If you haven't seen me before, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you have, obviously thank you for coming back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play the solo from Don't Stop Believin by Journey. If you haven't done many solos before, this is a nice easy solo to introduce yourself into playing solos, and if you have done them before, then it's just a cracking solo to get learning. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, so to get started then, we're going to go up to the 16th fret of the E string with our third finger. We're going to be doing a quarter tone bend. So if you place your second and first finger behind your third finger, it's going to give you some support to make it easier to push up. Now a quarter tone bend is basically a bend where we want the note we're bending to sound like the note next to it. So we want it to sound like the 17th fret. So we're going to start then by doing a bend up, bringing it back down to the 16th fret and playing it naturally. We're then going to go to the 14th fret with our first finger, and we're going to repeat that again. We then do a tiny little pause before we go to the 14th fret on the E. So let me play that again for you. Starting 16th fret, quarter tone bend, bringing it back down, first finger to the 14th fret, then we repeat the bend, little pause, 14th fret. Now the third bend we do, we're going to bend it up, keeping the pressure, we're going to bring it back down again. Then we're going to go to the 14th fret. Then on the B string with our third finger, we're going to travel to the 17th fret. We're then going to do the 16th fret with our second finger. 17th fret again, third finger. 14th fret, first finger. We'll then be travelling to the 16th fret of the G with our third finger, and finishing on the 14th fret of the G with our first finger. So from the third bend then, B string, 17th fret, 16th fret, 17th fret, 14th fret, G string, 16th fret to 14th fret. Okay, the final section then, we're going to be doing two more bends. 16th fret on the E again, up bend, bringing it back down, 14th fret on the E, first finger. Our last bend, 16th fret, bringing it back down, 14th fret, first finger. Travelling up to the B now of the 17th fret, but with our second finger, so that we can finish on the 19th fret of the E with our third. So that section again, bend up quarter tone on the E from the 16th fret, bringing it back down, 14th fret, another bend, 14th fret, 17th fret on the B, 19th fret on the E. So there we have it, that is the solo from Don't Stop Believin by Journey. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you have and you've got any questions, smack them in this comment box below and I will get back to you, or find me on WR Guitarist on Instagram. If you've liked it, please check out the rest of my videos and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again soon for some more WR Guitar.